Down. And cover up. Grade 6 girls, make your line straight. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. All of you right run. Sorry, lift down. Hands cover up.
Line should be very, very attentive and strict. Straight.
And side.
The full duty of class teacher to check.
If there is no sufficient space, you can join another line. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. All of you be ready for our next line. Hands cover up. And side. Hands up. Clap your hands. And side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now all of you be ready for our school song.
Sir, why are you different side?
Hands cover off, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now I would like to welcome respected speakers to deliver their speech.
Well, is done today. Come.
Namaskar and good morning to all. Today I am going to short and sweet speech on the topic of my breastfeed. Before starting my topic, I want to thank the organizers who have organized this type of program, which helps to increase level of student. Now my topic goes like this: my breastfeed. My breastfeed name is Smriti Valsina. She is 10 years old. She helps me mathematical and English. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to Honorable Vice Principal Sir, respected teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. As you always, me Kritika Adhikari standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my special day. I want to start my topic, my special day. I experiences many days, but my special day is that when I went Palanchok Bhagavati Mandir, I went this Saturday with my mom and sister. We went there by bus. It is a long distance from Kathmandu. The road to reach there was very curved road. The road was curved, but it was pitched. We reached there after 4 to 5 hours from Kathmandu. I went that temple for the first time. The temple wasn't so crowded. There wasn't so crowd, but also our turn to worship God came after 35 minutes. We worshipped God and came out of the temple. Beside the temple, there was a ground. We felt hungry, so we ate food on the hotel, and after spending some time, we clicked photo and returned back from the temple. Thank you.
Namaskar and welcome to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friend. It's me BN Balami standing in front of all to share my special memories of my life. Now without wasting our time, I'd like to start my topic. Every person has their special day. I also have. My special day was on 29 October. In 29 October, I met my very special old friend. When I met them, I remember my old student life. They are same as they were. We share the same dreams and same is the step of our life. So on that day we were very happy. After gap of 6 years we all met. So first we thought about to make the day special, so we decided to go for a picnic, and all friends collect money and we go for a picnic. Before reaching to the picnic spot, we bought all the items for a picnic. Then we all together make a groups and work together. We enjoy a lot and we thought for a camp. We collect wood and we celebrate with a sing and dance with full interest. That was such a joy and remember day. I can't forget that day for my entire life. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now to provide some information, I would like to welcome our Vice Principal.
Thank you, Kajal. Children are bringing very, very special memory days. I also like to visit different places. Last Saturday, I also had gone to Dakshingali temple. The memories are there, right? So, beyond he shared about the memory of his old picnic. This time, very less days are left. Coming Friday, by 7 a.m., we'll depart from this side, from here, to Godavari, and make wonderful memory. And from Sunday, some of the children, they can express all those events in the assembly as well. Standards, attention, cover up, hands side, hands up, straight your hands, stretch. You have to show your discipline every time. Sasank, stretch your hands. If you want to be taller, you stretch. If you want to be dwarfer, no problem. This batch students will be in the same height. Hands side, hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. So tomorrow is Thursday, right? Yes, sir. So there will be result of third evaluation test. So please convey this information to your parents to be here after 11 a.m. Is that clear? So by the time Maxis will be ready, your guardians must come to take the report card and tested papers. Last students actually were standing in last part of those class 5 girls line. They are making noise. Why? So today we have a birthday girl. She's very happy. Please come on the stage. So what is your name? Christina Rana Magar is here.
Sir, Govinda sir.
Birthday boy, birthday teacher you say. He is not birthday boy. How? Birthday boy must be there. Right? Yes. Okay, Christina Rana. Are you excited? So, and Govinda sir's also birthday today. Let's wish in our way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Shubhatama Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam Siddha Sadhanam Siddha Sadhanam Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam Chira Jivanam Chira Jivanam Shubhatama Janma Deva Sarva Okay, on this special occasion, entire Anupam family wishes Christina Rana Magar and Govinda sir happy and wonderful birthday. Let them have a special day. Let them have their wishes fulfilled and have a healthy life. Actually, we have to wish for healthy life, right? Till how much time we survive, we have to be healthy. So for that we have to focus on
Healthy food.
healthy food. Is that clear? Okay, let's wish them in our Western way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. So, we have already wished them. Actually, whatever, this mic is not functioning well today. And class 5 students. It's next week now.
Namaskar.
Okay? Produce a louder sound and say, okay, come on.
It's my birthday. I'm so excited and happy. Thank you for listening.
Our respected Vice Principal Sir and teachers and my dear students. Good morning, everyone. Now it's me, Govinda Gazmir.
Please listen, everybody.
So everyone's has a special day. That is our birthday, and it comes once a year. And it is very wonderful time. We celebrate a birthday with joy and happiness. And thank you very much, everybody, for wishing my special day. That is my birthday. And I also thank to Anupam family, who has given to me this wonderful time. And thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Hands cover up, everybody. Hands side. Hands up. Clap together. Faster. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Now I'm not going to ask you any more students to join the picnic because the quota is over. We have already given you time up to Tuesday. So it's already Wednesday. Now we will make the plan. How to make it much more memorable. So everybody's participation, active participation, systematic participation, and well-managed participation is essential, and we expect same. I've already told you to manage house stress. Did you watch the wine house stress or not? Yes, sir. Yes, number one. Number second, class 8, 9, 10. You must not forget to wear your ID card. Is that clear? Because class 8, 9, 10, they will go for excursion at the time. They will go for the visit of botanical garden, and they must bring copy and pen to collect the information, and it must be presented in assembly later. Remember. Attention. Cover up. Hand side. Master team should be active. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Yes, they are participating. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Okay, march time.